As you can see, this is a different setting. We're chilling at a table and there's food in front of us. First time we're doing this, you know, he's about to join in right now. We're doing the 2 times spicy noodle challenge. I'm gonna start trying like random drinks. This is mango milk tea. Putting in the flakes. We only got 1, so I have 4 in here. I don't know if I can eat that much, but I got 4 in here. She got 1. Putting in the flakes at the moment. That's the hot sauce. I feel like we really got that much.
No, but that's like seaweed and sesame seeds.
This is our first time doing some food challenge video or food video in general. We're gonna be doing a lot more different food challenges and like reviews type of thing and trying random things. So I hope you guys enjoy. And let's get to the hot sauce. Yeah.
It's gonna be good. And it sucks I have to use the whole thing because I don't like too soupy.
I don't know. When I see people make these videos, I don't understand why they just dump everything in one spot. I don't know why. I just spread it around. It wasn't like that. Oh, yeah.
It's gonna be lit.
Slit.
Slat.
That looks kind of tasty though, to be honest. Come on now. Like, that looks tasty. I just gotta mix it around. We're gonna try not to drink for a little bit. Refrain from drinking. Actually open it and drink it because we won't be able to taste it after. It's nice and milk looking. Like, literally smells like the bubble teas I get.
That smells bomb. Place the opener at the top of the bottle and press down for it.
It literally tastes like the milk tea I get. You gotta do it. That's actually pretty good. Wanna try it? Let me try it.
Oh.
Let's say some lychee.
It's not bad. We're gonna just eat them.
Holy shit. People make it seem like it's not that spicy.
So you gotta keep going.
Holy shit. Dude, I'm dying. I can't stop eating because then it gets...
Let's take a break.
Take a break. Literally feels like I'm gonna pass out. My head's on fire. Who made me think I'm gonna eat 4 packets?
Right.
Dude, I thought this shit was gonna be easy peasy.
Oh my god.
It really feels like I'm gonna pass out. Feels like my head's gonna fucking explode.
It's like I want to keep eating. Okay. It's like you watch it on YouTube and you think you can do it, but then you do it and you're like...
I'm gonna go wash my face and hands and just real quick. I'm gonna definitely probably need a drink.
Who said the 2 times? We're only gonna do it 2 times.
I can't. Hey, digga, look how much I'm wasting. It hurts so bad, bro. They made it seem so easy on videos. This shit makes me want to hop in the shower. Wow, it just gets worse the more I just sit here.
Honestly, the fact that you're talking about it more.
I feel like I'm just going in and out of like consciousness.
I'm trying to just act like nothing. Nope.
I really want to take some more bites.
It's good, but it's like too fucking hot.
It's a little too much sauce.
Like, I want to keep eating it because it's good, but it's too hot.
It's kind of like too saucy, so it's kind of like, shit like that grosses me out. Maybe that's why.
I have to finish this one bowl, right? It's one.
Yeah, I have to finish this one bowl.
No, you don't have to finish that. I'm pretty sure you're supposed to finish in one bowl. Because you have 4. I'm about to go back in.
Or at least.
Okay. Slowly starting to hit the inside of my whole body.
You look like you're a cherry, you're like a sweet potato. Yeah.
But my tongue is like slowly growing in my mouth.
I'm literally about to like throw up, to be honest. You're like, you're about to happen. Alright guys, my face is probably dirty again for the 8th time. As you could tell, she completed a bowl of it. I definitely had to do a bowl. I took a good amount of bites.
We'll show you the before picture or video of that.
Yes.
Alright guys. Cop your merch.
Cop the merch, you know. Rish, love you all. Forever and everything.
You know, wait.